To add a payment method in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the main dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on the word Settings. It is located near the bottom of the menu. Once the Settings page loads, you will see several options across the center of the screen. Click on the tab labeled Payments to open your payment settings. Inside the Payments section, you will see a list of payment capture options and a box labeled Payment Providers. This area is divided into different sections depending on how you want to accept money. If you want to use Shopify Payments, which is the default integrated processor, you will see a button that says Activate Shopify Payments or Complete Account Setup. Click this button and follow the prompts to enter your banking details, business information, and tax identification number. If Shopify Payments is not available in your country, you will see a list of supported third-party providers instead. To add a third-party payment provider, scroll down to the section that says Additional Payment Methods. Here, you can search for a specific provider or browse the list by clicking Choose a Provider. When you find the service you want, such as PayPal, Amazon Pay, or a manual payment method like a bank deposit, click on it to highlight your selection. Enter the required account credentials, which usually involve pasting in your merchant ID, API key, or secret token from the provider's website. Click the Activate button and your new payment method will go live immediately on your checkout page. Before you finish, always check the small blue banner at the top of the page for any confirmation messages. You can manage or deactivate existing methods anytime by returning to the payment settings and clicking the Manage button next to the provider's name. To verify everything is working without a real transaction, go to your online store's checkout and confirm that the new payment option icons appear under the Express Checkout header. This ensures your customers can now seamlessly choose their preferred way to pay.